Here's a fact that can free you from feeling stuck in gambling pain. 80% of your success comes from 20% of your actions. It's called the Pareto principle. Let me show you how it works. The 80-20 rule is a game changer. If gambling has taken over, please focus on the few actions that can give you the biggest results. One example is to start by identifying triggers, like certain apps, places or behaviors, and block or avoid them in your early days to leave gambling behind. Use your freedom from gambling to do something productive, like physical exercise, reflection, or learning a new skill. Small level ups are the foundation for big changes. And if you get 1% better each day for 1 year, you'll end up 37 times better by the end of that year. So, it's all about small and intentional progress, taking back the control that you deserve. And hey, I believe in you and your capacity to level up. No lapse. Like and follow for more content like this.